Hey, wow, Tommy is wealthy. I don't even realize it. Oh, pag andito si Tommy, ang puno.
Good morning, Philippines!
So, guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. Ngayong araw po, guys, it is, ano ngayon? Wednesday. But anyway, good morning. So, maaga tayo dito sa laptop natin. Meron tayong mga ginagawa. Meron lang akong tinitignan. Change ko yung ano ng GoPro natin. So, anyway. Hi, guys. I am just very busy changing settings sa GoPro natin. Ginawa ko siyang the iOS, I keep changing because the recommendation, it is iOS main and iOS max. It's the main is 100 and then the max is 400.
ISO.
iOS.
iOS is a Mac operating system.
Okay, ISO, whatever.
I'm sitting there saying, what are you talking about?
And look who's here with the little boy. Look at that face. Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning, honey.
Good morning, guys.
Touching it. You're such a good boy. Touch. Look at it. Say good morning. Good morning. Look at that boy, guys. How cute is my boy? Touch. What a cutie boy. Say good morning, oi. We love you so much.
I keep losing his little fishies on his collar. There's a couple are missing.
He's eating it, you know, it's a fish.
I hope not. They're brass or something.
Huh?
They're metal.
They're middle, I know.
You don't find.
Is that thing, it's the tax paper. Can I staple it together? All the, not all of them, like, you know, the individual,
set,
it's
yes.
set, yeah. Can I do it?
Yeah, because we were already in the computer. I don't know.
Guys, my husband is such a bird lover that every time he made some sandwich and then merong bread. Tignan nyo, look. Look at him. Hi. Nagsabuwag mo siya, eh. Tignan niya. Sabuwag siya, nagsabuwag siya. Mga pangbakog, look. Sabuwag ka dong. Hey, unsay mo gisabuwag? Tignan niya. Bread. Hey, what are you sabog-sabog? Oh my God. So, Han. Oh my God. Go over there in the side. There's a lot of bird in there. Okay. Oh my God. The apple over there is almost ready, honey. Look at that. Harvest natin yung apple, guys. Pag ready na. Nandyan sa gilid ng bahay. Oy, galing pala siya sa ano. Look at this. Galing pala siya to fix the car. Right, boy?
Yeah.
So, tinanong ko si Tommy, guys. Hello, guys. Continue tayo sa tax paper. Tinanong ko siya kasi may account dito na apat na papel. Apat na papel. So, ngayon, inano ko yung tax ni ma'am, tax niya, tax namin dalawa. So, sabi ko, bakit dalawa itong account na to sa isang bangko? Apat pala, apat. Iba-ibang amount. Sabi ko, wow, this account is this account is that, and this one is this. Like, wow, you are wealthy. Wow, Tommy is wealthy. I don't even realize it. Natawa siya. Sabi pa niya, kaloka ka talaga. Sabi pa niya, retirement to. Sabi ko, oh, mayaman ka pala. Sabi pa niya, oh, pang-mortgage yan. Pang-mortgage. So, sabi, nagtataka kasi ako, bakit apat? Sa IRS, yeah, sa IR. Ito, tinawag yung IRA account, IRS. Like, parang retirement, something. Hindi ko talaga gets ito dito, guys, kasi ang daming papel na hindi ko talaga magets bakit ganito. So, sabi ko, bakit iba-iba ito? Kasi mag-staple ako, guys. So, in-staple ko talaga yung nag-start na ako, nag-stapler na ako, nag-start na. No. Stapler na ako. Stapler. Sabi ko, kasama ba tong 4? Hindi pala. So, sabi pa niya. Sabi ko, mayaman ka pala. Kasi 4 yung account mo at saka malalaki yung number. Sabi pa niya, ha? Pinagtawanan kaluka daw ako. Retirement daw yun niya. Sabi ko, kaluka ka dong. At saka also yung mga tax ko, inano ko din siya. Like this one. Tami doesn't print this. Tami need to get a receipt. This is all my receipt. At saka plus yung receipt. Resibo ito, yung actual na resibo. And also mga resibo na yung kiniklip ko kahapon na papel na sa PicMonkey, sa editor, at saka sa sound effect. Yung mga ganon. So meron tayo dyan. And also, you know, sa bahay yung mga electric, internet, part sa bahay. Kasi dito ako nag-vlog palagi. So part na ito ng ano ko. So, ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon, guys. Nag-ano ako ng mga papel, staple, para ipasa na namin. Kasi, guys, and also yung mga resibo, mga donation, guys, meron din kami. Pinalagay din namin. Ang pangalan is Big Brother. Yeah, donation. Okay, guys. So, tapusin ko lang ito kasi kahapon kasi umalis kami and din late na. So, kaya hindi namin naasikaso ng madali. Kasi alam nyo na, yung school tax ba? Kahit wala kang anak, may school tax talaga. You're pretending. I think you did because you have...
Come with me.
Oh
Come
my
with me.
God.
Come with me.
You hide it over there for a while and you don't tell me.
Come with me.
Oh my God. Honestly, honey?
Honestly, honey. Squish.
You spend more like you don't have just 4 months in here. You have 10 of them.
Look at that box.
Oh, that's from the basement?
Yes.
That's not, looks like the same thing.
Hon, look at how old this box is.
Yeah, I know that's from the basement hidden, but...
Yeah, but
But
see this?
that's not the
because
same
it's a
look.
rotisserie and it came with a free George Foreman grill. See the grill?
Where's the
This is
grill?
the rotisserie.
Okay,
That's what I just brought upstairs.
and then where is the rotisserie?
It's still in there. Still here.
Still there? Oh my God.
But look, did I just buy that? Seriously?
No, you put it in that box.
Hon? I put it in that box.
Okay.
Hon, the box tells you what it is.
Shut the light. We need to clean up down here again. Oh my God. You know you have an old one still in your
I
shelf.
know, I got one. I never tried to use it there.
And
The only problem is I'm missing
I have
that little tray I'm missing.
I have to throw one of them. You have to pick which one to keep.
No, you see this little white tray? I'm missing that one.
Huh?
This tray I'm missing in the Rochelle. That catches the grease. Put it
That's
here.
it right here.
Yeah, it catches the grease coming off. I'm sure no one's have like an on-off switch. Just so
And where you gonna put it? I told you we cannot put any more here.
I'm gonna heat my sandwich.
Meron ako ditong ice cream, guys. Si Roxy gusto niya to. Labas tayo. Come on, let's go out this way. Come on, hurry up. It's Dove, guys. Sobrang baby chocolate ice cream. And yes, for you lang.
No wonder they're following around.
Yeah, Roxy knows. Look at her. She's licking her chops. Come on. Look at them. Come on. And is that chocolate? Open it. This is a chocolate. Ah, Roxy cannot have any. And she knows you're opening one. Oh, you cannot have it, Rox. Okay, come on. You like it? It's a sweet, sweet. Come on. Oh, she won't eat it. Come on, Rox. Where is it? Yung kamatis natin, wala pang hinog. Wala pa yung mga hinog. Hilaw pa siya. Ang ano ni Lloyd, diba? Tumaas na, oh. Yung kay Lloyd, tumaas. Lloyd, tumaas yung sayo. Hello, good afternoon. So, ngayon guys, nag-ano lang ako. Yung ginagawa ko is nagtubig doon sa garden natin. Tinubigin ko lang siya yung mga gulayan. And nakapag-harvest tayo ng cucumber at saka yung iba is nakat ko na. Mag-ano tayo, cucumber salad na naman ako. Kung gusto talaga niya to, iwan ko. You know. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to... Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, magbigay ako sa kapitbahay ng ito sa garden. Nag-change yung mind ko. Ang gusto kong bilhin is flower arrangement. Fruit arrangement, hindi pala flower. Fruit arrangement. So, ano siya? Yung parang sa... Yung mga prutas, edible arrangement ba yun? Or yun? Yun. So, yun yung orderin ko sa ipa-deliver ko dyan sa kapitbahay. Salad, garden 2. Diyan. Tignan natin kung meron pa tayong ano, ginger. Kasi, hindi na ako magluluto guys. Kasi every time na andito si Tami, ganito talaga yung drama namin kapag andito siya. Ito yung drama ng buhay ko pag andito si Tami. Ang puno ng refrigerator. Kita niyo naman, yung wala siya dito, ang nangyayari, empty rice lang ito at saka yung isda. Pero pag andito siya, look, chicken, rice, gulay, sandwich, tubig para sa yung binilhan niya ako ng Hawaiian na malaki na naman, and then pork, and then another pork. So, yun siya, and then mga gulay, and then ang daming cold cuts dito sa baba. Iwan ko na lang guys. So, at saka meron pang lamb. Iwan ko na lang. So, yan. Kunin ko lang yung kailangan ko. Okay, kaunti na lang yung ginger. So, ito yung kadramahan pag andito si Tamil. So, yun siya guys.
So cucumbers raise your blood pressure? She's not answering me. She's just making gestures. Cucumbers, they give you high blood pressure?
No.
Oh no? Did you say that?
No.
What do they do? Just make you
Diabetic. Oh no, not diabetic, like anemic.
Oh,
Do you know anemic?
they make you anemic?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a bad thing.
Not a good thing.
No.
So,
want to start with?
Yes. Would you use it? Take your shoes off.
Okay, stop. It's already...
I'll be back.
Alis pa rin siya. Sabi pa niya, sakit ng katawan niya. Kahapon pa yun, hindi maganda pakiramdam niya, guys. Hilong-hilo. Ngayon, katawan niya, buong katawan. Yung left leg niya masakit. Hindi ko alam kung anong dahilan. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung masakit yung katawan mo, huwag kang sabihin mo na hindi ka makapunta.
What is this? Here?
There's no space there. Give it to me.
Taking chicken out of there, really space.
Yeah.
Right?
Siya, stop lahat.
Popeyes. Out. I'm not having fried chicken.
Just bring it anyway.
I'm not.
No, just bring it now.
I'm not. Honey, too salty, yes, I
So
agree.
what are you gonna eat? You wanna bring the other chicken?
Not like you would eat apples anyway. I didn't believe I thought you would eat them. you couldn't handle it that long.
This is what is hurting you.
Just pains on.
Your left leg now.
Yeah, my left foot and my, I got pains everywhere, but, and then behind. Go back to bed, you didn't have to get up for this. Me too. Let's try. Don't forget, I left with the pot as one of our foods.
Hello guys, balik tulog tayo guys. It's because it's night tayo. Balik night. You cannot go in there. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.